Hello everybody, my name is Michael Rose, BMW Genius here at Patrick BMW in Schaumburg, Illinois. We're coming to you today to do a short video on some of our electric vehicles, upcoming vehicles, and we're featuring this 745e. This is a hybrid electric sedan, so it's got a 6-cylinder motor tied to a battery, and it's going to provide you excellent fuel economy, and we kind of want to go over some of the things that make this car special and talk about some of the upcoming products that we have. BMW is obviously embracing the future when it comes to electric vehicles. Coming in the first quarter of 2022 our first fully electric cars. These are the i4 4-door sedan and the iX SUV. These are available for pre-purchase and pre-order right now with a $1,500 deposit. Get your name on the list, come on in. They're definitely going to be revolutionary cars in the segment, and we can't wait to see you. On to this particular car, as I mentioned before, this is the hybrid version of our 7 Series executive sedan. We'll go over some charging details later, but some of the things that separate this from your standard 7 Series are the ability to drive at limited speeds, fully electric, so you get about 30 miles of range. If you're going around town to get a sandwich, maybe fill up the tank, it's a really convenient option. And when you're cruising in things like parking lots, it's a whisper quiet drive, especially on this particular car, and it's really nice. You also have the ability to reserve some battery. If you're somewhere unfamiliar, you can keep some charge, and that can help you out in a pinch as well. Now these cars, if you use the at-home charger, it takes about overnight to charge, and the first 80% of the charge is going to be the fastest, and that last little bit of it is going to take a little bit longer, but about overnight, 12 to 14 hours for a full charge. Now you can also have the option to get an at-home level 2 charger, and that's going to increase your charge speed dramatically to about 2.5 to 3 hours. And we recommend that to all of our customers where this is a feasible option. However, there are definitely apps that you can use to locate chargers. Most of the public chargers are level 2. And it's a very easy process, and we wanted to make this video to showcase that these cars are nothing to be scared of. It's very easy ownership experience, and maintaining them and living with them is no different really than your average car. And we're happy to bring you the flexibility that comes with owning a hybrid vehicle. So I'm just going to outline the charging process for these cars. So we want to start on the side of the vehicle where we have our charging port. Now this door is much like your fuel door. If the car is unlocked, you'll simply be able to press on it and it will pop open for you, whereupon we see the plug here. Now we have these stations in the back of the dealership for charging our hybrids, and this is a level 2 station, so this is a little more powerful than your standard wall unit, but the operation is the same. So we'll just unhook the charger here, and we just want to snap this into place, and you'll notice the light going from yellow to blue, and it will continue to pulsate that blue color as the car is charged. Once it's fully charged, that will turn green so that you know that the car is fully charged. And we'll take a peek at the inside so you can see the charging indicator on the inside as well. And in the gauge cluster, we are noting the time in which the car will be completely charged. And this car is empty, so a few hours until full. And we see the indicator that the car is plugged in and charging. So very straightforward process. If you can plug in a fan, you can plug in this car. Once again, everybody, thank you for joining us today, and thanks for listening about this lovely car and some of our electric options that are soon to be coming to the dealership. Once again, if you'd like to come in and pre-order an iX or i4, we accept a $1,500 deposit, and we'll get you on the list. Please be sure, if you're interested in the vehicles, to do that, because they're going to be selling like crazy, and we definitely want you to get the car that you're looking for. Thanks again. Once again, I'm Michael Rose, BMW, here in Schaumburg.
Taking care of you every day. That's the Patrick